Evigambirwe Minisita w'Ihangu w'Ebigombe by'Abeterine Frederick Ngumengobi obwabire ari harukiko rwo kuhendera umwaka orw'ekigombe ky'Abanyankore kweterana. Minisita Ngobe nagira ngo obushomankuzi obwebembezi bube hamwe n'ebindi ndimwe aha bintu ebikirizeyo kugwisa ebibiina by'Abeterine.
The union is here. There are no. The other time I used to see policemen guarding me. DPC or C. Now there are no way. Because you're managing your own business, which was created by yourself. It is for yourself. It is to yourself.
We were elected on the 20th of May 2022. This is our second AGM in our term of office.
Ekigombe ky'Abanyankore kweterana nikimwe aha bigombe ebirikukirayo obukuru omu ihanga konka kikatungemera bana mu myaka y'enyumaho.
Main items agenda between our regime is to rebuild that trust system, and we have done that.
Twina abantu bingi abarurede kukoragana bite konka kuba kushanga itwe kandi ba ambassador ni ba representatives ba cooperatives kuriya turiyo twetere gole bakwata umuhanda n'abakindi.
Government kurabira mu kigombe kya Uganda Cooperative Alliance UCA eriyo netandikaho banka y'Abeterine omu ihanga erikumanywa nka Cooperative Bank okuhwera ebigombe nk'ebyokutunguka. Aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.